Hey guys, today let's learn how to know the best time to make a post on TikTok. So if you guys are wondering how to know what is the best time to make a post over on the TikTok application on your account, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So basically what we need to go ahead and do first in order for us to find out what the best time is, in order for us to basically know when to post on the TikTok application, is to go on over and have a TikTok business account first. Now what this is going to do on your end is to give you some additional settings and analytics on when your viewers are most active. So in this case, in order for us to have a business account, let's just go ahead and tap on our settings over here and then tap on account, and let's go ahead and tap on switch to business account. All right, so once you're already done and you have already chosen your preferred category of where your TikTok profile fits in, what we need to go ahead and do next is to just proceed with tapping on our profile. So over on our profile, we are going to see some additional information. Just tap on your three lines on the top right corner once again, and then tap on the creator tools. Now what the creator tools is going to show you is some additional analytics. So as you would see over here, I can see some inspirations, I can see some trending videos on here, can see some more tools and stuff like that. But what we need to go ahead and do in order for us to know when the best time is to go on over and try to see what our analytics is. So just tap on view all analytics right here, and you could actually see and view the video post views, the amount of likes we have, unique viewers, and shares. So in order for us to basically find out what specific time our followers are most active is to go on over on this part of the analytics, which is the most active time. So once you basically go on over on your most active time section, you could actually see what specific time frame your users are most active. You should basically go ahead and take note of that and post on those specific times. So as you would notice over here, I do not have this chart or table that shows me the data, since TikTok does not have enough data to create a chart for me. So essentially, if you are an active user of TikTok and you have a bunch of followers and you are a consistent poster, you can actually have this table shown to you, and you could actually use this to evaluate when you guys could post on your TikTok to make it basically the most productive and allow you to earn the most money. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.